Hi there, I'm Matthew with 8Wire, and this is a demo showing how Conductor can allow businesses to rapidly integrate data stores and fix errors before they cause problems. For this demo here, I created an Excel and SQL Server data store to import a spreadsheet into the database. Next, I'll import a file with some severe issues such as badly formatted dates, invalid business rules, and incorrect column names to show how Conductor can protect IT systems from bad data. I need to create a process to move data between them, so I click on the process icon and select New Process. Next, I need to select my source and destination data stores and click Next. The agent then returns me a list of all of the Excel files in my source, so I can select the file I want to import. There isn't anything here I want to change, so I'm just going to leave everything as it is and click Finish. Now I'm going to open my process to make a few changes to it. First, I'm going to change my destination to 8Wire landing table instead of creating a new table. Next, I'm going to change the options to merge my data each time the process is run, rather than overwriting my destination data. This way, I can see new rows being inserted alongside changes to existing rows. Finally, I'm going to add a business rule that only allows data with an ID greater than 1 to be inserted. For some reason, an ID of 1 is not allowed. Now I click Update and I can see that my spreadsheet is going to be imported into my database. When I click Run, Conductor now imports the spreadsheet into my database. Now if I look at the report for the batch that just ran, I can see it ran successfully, but some warnings were raised. Looking into this report, a row of data did not meet the business rule of having an ID greater than 1, so it was not imported into the table. Now if I look at my database table, I can see that the data was imported successfully. Here is the broken file that has a lot of problems. First, it has a new column called wipe date 2 that wasn't there before. Next, somebody has misspelled the sale date column and created a data in the wrong format. There are 5 new records that we will want to see in our database, and record 2 has been changed so the subclass is Alaska instead of medical. I'm going to load this file into the same table as before, and all of these issues with the file shouldn't cause any problems with the load. I'll run the process now and then look at the report generated. Now that it's run successfully, I look at the report and see that Conductor removed the extra column and renamed the misspelled column. It also found another row that did not meet the business rule and removed it. If I look at my table, I can see that ID2 now has a subclass of Alaska, and I have 5 new records with the incorrect data format fixed. So even with all these unexpected changes to my source data, it's still imported successfully. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us on @8WireData on Twitter or at heya@8wire.com.